Where is the date mentioned in the letter when an order is placed? Suppose you are writing a letter. This is a formal letter when you are placing an order. You are writing your name and address here. This is followed by date. This is followed by to whom you are placing the order. This is followed by salutation, dear sir, dear madam. So, where is the date mentioned? After the salutation? No. Date is before salutation. This is wrong. After the address of the seller address is here. It is above that. This is wrong. After the address of the company placing the order, this is the address of the company which is placing the order. So, date is after that. So, answer is this. Which of these is not a part of the letter? Photo, date, signature, and salutation. This is the date. This is the date. Signature are written here. Salutation is here. There is no place for photo. Whether it is formal or informal letter, photo is not there. Which of the following is not used to address people in informal letters? Whenever we are writing in informal letter, we are writing to our friend or relative or to our father, mother, uncle. We use the words dear, my dear, dearest. But we do not use respected. Respected used in case of formal letter. So it is not used, the word respected is not used in the case of informal letters. Informal letter is not written to. We are writing informal letter to our relatives and friends, and it is not written to the excuse me seller. Friendly letters can contain many subjects. No, friendly letter or informal letter does not contain any subject. So answer is false. Only in the case of formal letter there is only one subject, and in case of informal or friendly letter there is no subject at all. While placing an order, we should mention the quantity of goods or services required. Yes, we should mention. While purchasing, suppose we want to purchase a television, we will have to mention we want one set of television or one refrigerator, or if we want to purchase mobile connections, services of mobile connections, we will mention that we want to avail the services of mobile connections. So we will have to quantify the same. So answer is correct. Formal letter should be in proper format. Okay, yes. Should be clear, brief, and to the point. Yes, it should be clear because the higher authorities do not have enough time to go through whole of the letter. And if you cover your message in many pages, they will not read it at all. If our grammar is not correct, our meaning may be something else and we want to convey something else. So, formal letter should be all of these in proper format, to the point, brief, clear, and grammatically correct. Next, the main point of a formal letter is written in which part of the letter? This is our letter, formal letter. This is our address. We followed by date. Then we write the address of the recipient. This is followed by salutation. Then we write the body of the letter. Then there is a closing of the letter, yours faithfully, and no name. So, what is the main body part? Main part of the this is the main part, body, where we write the complete message. Next, in the opening paragraph of a formal letter, we write about this is the formal letter. It may be in 3 paragraphs, 1, 2, 3. In the first paragraph or opening paragraph, we tell about your status. Wrong. We do not tell about the status. The other person who is the police commissioner may not be concerned at all about your status. You are to tell about your problem, ask about the well-being of the recipient. You are not writing letter to your friend or relative. You are writing letter to the public authority. Inform the recipient about the reason for writing the letter. You are to inform why you are writing the letter to him. So this is the correct option. The space to be left from the top. This is the formal letter. Suppose this is 5 centimeter from above. You should start from here, 5 centimeter from here. We will understand the same from this answer. The space left in a letter is 5 centimeter at the top and 5 centimeter from the bottom. That is, you should stop writing from here. This is 5 centimeter. And on the sides also, it should be 2 and 5, 2.5 centimeter left. So this is the correct dimension normally which is used in the case of formal letters. So our answer is the space to be left from the top is 5 centimeter. This is normally used when the letter is sent to the other person in a formal way. That is, we are writing the formal letter and we are writing the message by use of typewriter or computer. Conclusion: what we have learned so far. We may have to write a letter in our day-to-day life, whether we are to write to a school principal or we may be suffering from many problems. We are facing a lot of problems due to the nuisance caused by miscreants or the use of loudspeakers by marriage palaces, or we may have to write to our friend to inquire about his well-being or to tell about some birthday party or marriage party which is being organized. So whether we are still a student in a school or we are doing a job in an organization or doing our own business, in any part of our life, whatever our age may be, we may have to write a letter, whether as a student or as an elder person to our friend or relative or to the public authorities. So we should be familiar how to write a letter. If we write a letter properly, there are great chances that it will complete its purpose. Letter reflects the character and communication skill of the writer. So always try that your letter should be in simple language. It should follow the proper format. And if you are writing to a public authority or to the school principal or editor, try that it should be a typed one. That is, you should use computer. I hope you might have enjoyed this course and this course might be very useful for you in your life ahead. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.